The English classroom in Azali Institute of Medical Sciences, Peshawar. I am your English teacher Sumaira Hatak. Students, in this video we are going to talk about unit number 12 of grade 11, the blanket. That is for the student of second semester. That is for second semester of diploma student. So first of all, I would like to give you a brief introduction of what we are exactly going to cover throughout this unit. As you see the screen, the points that we are going to discuss in this units are first of all introduction of this unit, then about the author, then themes, after that setting, characters, text reading and translation, summary, vocabulary means glossary, exercise, and at the end grammar. So we will do all these things one by one. So first of all, coming toward the introduction. The introduction of this unit, the blanket. The blanket is a story written by Floyd Dill. The whole story revolves around a blanket that is a gift from a son to father, a going away gift. This story is about family and relationships, and it's about Peter's family. So students, by genre, this unit, The Blanket, is a short story and that has been written by an American writer, Floyd Dill. The whole story revolves around a blanket. It's about a blanket that is the symbol of departure, that is the symbol of departing someone, departing granddad. Sorry. So in this story, we see that in this story, granddad is sending by his son to an old age house. So that is a short introduction of this story. This story brought the writer a lot of popularity and a lot of fame because of its universal theme. The theme that this story has universal means that is not limited to a specific time or to a specific place, mean that is applicable for all the times and for all the ages, mean for all the places. Because of such a universal theme, this story brought the writer a lot of fame and a lot of popularity. So this short story is about family relationships, specifically how in the writer society, in American society, old people were treated by their sons, means by their kids. So that story is all about that. After that, we have the next point, that is about the author. Floyd Dill was an American writer who wrote extensively on controversial issues of the 20th century and played a major part in the political and social movements originated in the New York City. In this story, The Blanket, he has depicted one of the social aspects of his society, that is, how does a son treat his father in his old age. Floyd Dill was an American writer. He was a critic as well as a playwright, and he was an editor as well. He has written extensively on controversial issues. Means controversial issues are such issues that about which different people have different opinion. Means some people think that some people consider them good while other consider them bad. Such issues and such things are called controversial. So the writer Floyd Dill wrote extensively on controversial issues, specifically of the 20th century. So it is said that he was put on trial for 2 times because of the subversive literature that he had written. Subversive literature is a kind of literature, it is a kind of work that is opposite to the existing or to the prevailing authority, means to the prevailing government of the time. Such kind of work, such kind of literature is called subversive literature, and Because of his subversive literature, Floyd Dill was put on trial for 2 times. So that was a short introduction of the author. After that, we have themes. Students, first of all, you should know what is theme. Theme is the concurring idea in a literary work. You can say the main idea that a writer wishes to convey through a literary work, through a literary piece, is called its theme. So the themes of the blanket are, the first one maybe, be careful what behaviors you model for your children, especially how you take care of your parents. And the second one is, without blood relationship, life is just boring and incomplete. The first theme is that it is for the parents. It is means specifically for the parents that we should be careful. The parents should be careful about their behaviors it because it makes their children behavior is will, because it is said that parents are the role model for their kids. What their parents are doing, their kids are consciously or unconsciously try to imitate them. So kids try to imitate their parents. So parents should be careful about their behaviors, especially and treating their parents and treating their and dealing their parents. For example, if a person treat their parents well, so their kids will try to imitate him, and in return he will be treated by his children, by his kid, in the same way as he treats his parents. And the second one is, without blood relationship, life is just boring and incomplete. Means the granddad the granddad is he was sending to an old age house, that is a government place for old people. It is a lot of facilities, means it is all of the facilities for old people, but still the granddad is very sad. He is very panicked because there in the old age in the old house, his blood relatives, his friends would not be present. Means in this old age house to which he is sending by his son, he will not have Peter, he will not have his son, he will not have his blood relatives. That's why he is feeling sad, he is very panic. Means for complete and for satisfied life, blood relatives are very much necessary. Means we have to keep in touch, and we have to keep in contact with our blood relatives for a satisfaction, for a satisfied life, or for satisfaction, you can say. So these may be the themes of this story. Basically a literary work has so many themes, and it has different themes for different people, because literature, it is said that literature is subjective in nature. So you can't limit the themes of this blanket only to these two themes. You can create your own theme as well, that is valid, that is means considered, that is considerable. So next we have the setting. Setting is the time and place in other chooses for a literary work. Means setting, it is the structure. It is the structure or scenario in which an author initiates and then develops and then finishes his literary piece, his literary work. So you can say it is the time and place an author chooses for a literary work, for a literary piece. Here, the setting of this story, the blanket is house, night time and cold weather. This is the setting of this story, the blanket. After that, we have characters. In this story, the main characters are four. There are four characters in this story. The first character, that is the central figure of this story, is Peter. The second one is Peter's dad. The third one is Peter's granddad, and the fourth one is a girl with whom his father going to marry. So we have these four characters in this story. So this is the end of this lecture. In the next lecture we will do the text explanation and text translation. So आज के लिए for today it is sufficient, and we will meet in the next video inshallah. So please keep in contact with me, means keep in contact with my videos. Thank you for watching. So dear students, if you have any query, if you have any question, if you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section, and we will try to give immediate response inshallah. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.